Embracing the future of money. What is Bitcoin? Have you ever imagined a world where you control your money, where you don't need banks to send or receive funds? That's the promise of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like digital cash for the internet. It allows you to send value directly to anyone, anywhere in the world, without any intermediaries. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold, but instead of storing it in a vault, you store it in a digital wallet. Just like gold, Bitcoin has value because people agree it does. But unlike gold, Bitcoin is easy to send and receive digitally. What makes Bitcoin truly revolutionary is its decentralized nature. No single entity controls Bitcoin. It's powered by a global network of computers, ensuring transparency and security. This means you're in control of your money, not a bank or government. Welcome to the future of finance. Breaking free Bitcoin versus traditional banking. For centuries, we've relied on banks to handle our money. We deposit our salaries, pay bills, and send money through these institutions. While seemingly convenient, this system gives banks significant control over our finances. They can freeze accounts, charge hefty fees, and even restrict access to our own funds. Bitcoin offers a liberating alternative. It operates on a decentralized network, meaning no single entity has control. This peer-to-peer system allows you to transact directly with others, bypassing the need for intermediaries like banks. Imagine sending money to a friend overseas without worrying about international transfer fees or delays. That's the power of Bitcoin. It empowers you with financial freedom and control that traditional banking systems can't match. With Bitcoin, you become your own bank, responsible for your financial destiny. The power of the blockchain. Understanding Bitcoin's backbone. Behind Bitcoin's revolutionary potential lies a groundbreaking technology, the blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger accessible to everyone that records every Bitcoin transaction ever made. That's the blockchain in a nutshell. This ledger is not stored in one place, but distributed across a vast network of computers. Each time a transaction occurs, it's added to a block of information. These blocks are linked together chronologically, forming a chain, hence the term blockchain. The blockchain's decentralized nature makes it incredibly secure. Since the ledger is distributed across numerous computers, it's practically impossible for anyone to tamper with the data. Every transaction is verified and recorded transparently, ensuring trust and immutability. This groundbreaking technology forms the bedrock of Bitcoin's security and transparency, paving the way for a future of secure and decentralized finance. Section 4. Your gateway to Bitcoin. Setting up your crypto wallet. Ready to embark on your Bitcoin journey? The first step is setting up a crypto wallet, your digital gateway to the world of Bitcoin. Think of it as your digital piggy bank where you'll store your Bitcoin securely. For this guide, we'll use Trust Wallet, a popular and user-friendly mobile wallet. Simply download the Trust Wallet app from your app store, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new wallet. During the setup process, you'll be presented with a crucial piece of information, your seed phrase. This phrase, typically consisting of 12 random words, is your wallet's master key. Write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Remember, your seed phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access to your phone. Guard it carefully. Section 5. Guarding your digital treasure, seed phrases and security. In the world of Bitcoin, security is paramount. Your crypto wallet is only as secure as you make it. That's why understanding the importance of your seed phrase and practicing good security habits is crucial. Your seed phrase is like the master key to your Bitcoin vault. Anyone with access to this phrase can control your funds. Never store it digitally, as it could be vulnerable to hackers. Instead, write it down on paper or engrave it on a durable material and keep it in a safe place, like a fireproof safe or a safety deposit box. Additionally, be wary of phishing scams. Malicious actors may try to trick you into revealing your seed phrase or private keys. Remember, legitimate companies will never ask for this information. Stay vigilant, protect your seed phrase, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with secure Bitcoin storage. Section 6. Diving into the world of Bitcoin, buying your first Bitcoin. With your crypto wallet set up and secured, it's time to acquire your first Bitcoin. Numerous platforms, known as cryptocurrency exchanges, facilitate the buying and selling of Bitcoin. For this example, we'll use Coinbase, a user-friendly and reputable exchange. Start by creating an account on Coinbase. You'll need to provide some personal information and complete a verification process known as Know Your Customer, or KYC, to comply with regulatory standards. Once your account is verified, you can link your bank account or credit card to fund your Coinbase account. Now you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Simply navigate to the Bitcoin trading pair, enter the amount you wish to purchase, and confirm the transaction. Congratulations, you're now a proud owner of Bitcoin. However, it's important not to leave your Bitcoin on the exchange. Think of exchanges like temporary holding areas. For enhanced security, it's best to transfer your Bitcoin to your personal wallet. Section 7. Taking control. Transferring your Bitcoin to your wallet. Leaving your Bitcoin on an exchange is like leaving cash in someone else's hands. While reputable exchanges have security measures in place, it's always safer to store your Bitcoin in your personal wallet where you have full control. Transferring Bitcoin is easier than you might think. Open your Trust Wallet app and locate your Bitcoin wallet address. This address, a long string of alphanumeric characters, is like your Bitcoin bank account number. Copy this address to your clipboard. Next, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the Bitcoin withdrawal section. Paste your Trust Wallet Bitcoin address into the recipient field, double-check that the address is correct, and confirm the transaction. Within minutes, your Bitcoin will be securely stored in your personal wallet, giving you complete control over your digital assets. Congratulations on taking this important step towards securing your Bitcoin.